It's 94 today. We're in for a show tonight. Got a box at 1819 O-Pee-Chee Coast to Coast. 5 cards per pack, 48 packs per box. Yeah, most of you probably remember this as the Canadian Tire product from 2018. And this stuff is good, so let's get into it. Paid $2.50 for this box at the big show out here in BC from Vicious Vern Siebert. For those who may know of the local legend. Got this from him. Now, yeah, let's begin. This stuff is crazy good. This is one of the best products Upper Deck has released in many years. Unfortunately, it hasn't come back since, but let's get into it. These used to be $2 a pack at Canadian Tire. And yeah, it was good and still is good. So let us begin. Right, so yeah, here's the base. Very O-Pee-Chee like old school stock and all of that. So let's begin. One of the franchise heroes. These are pretty much the worst insert to get. Taves, Bobby Hull. Though one thing about this product, tons of variations, and there's a lot of collectors for them, and they sell very well. A lot of them are very cool. I don't know if there are variations of those, but if there is, I'll figure it out later. It's an Austin Matthews and Daryl Sittler. Yeah, this stuff's crazy. I only got one box of this back in the day. It wasn't good. It wasn't good. If I had the money I had now back then, I would have bought so much more, but fortunately, I did not. Superstar short print base. Yeah, the Superstars and the Legends, it says up there, short prints. And a Logan Couture. Also, say I got a Carey Price base when it didn't say Superstars on top. That would be it's a variation of some sort. Taylor Hall, Ryan O'Reilly. Ace, there are rookie cards in here. I haven't hit one yet, but they exist. There's also autographs, although they aren't guaranteed and they're not, they aren't what you're really chasing in here. It's more of an insert-driven product for sure. There's a lot of good ones too. It'd be really cool to get a Polar Lights. Oh, look at that. Got a Polar Lights. Robert Thomas rookie. And number 12, Alex DeBrincat, Polar Lights, one of the coolest parallels Upper Deck's ever done. Out of 99, 28 of 99. Yeah, these are cool. And they sell good too. So good it doesn't want to focus. Yeah, you get the deal. These are sweet. I think it's 1 per box, could be 2, I'm not 100% sure. I know I pulled 1 in my box from back in the day, but they are good. They're very nice. And they're kind of hard to find because it's a big checklist, so to get a decent name, to get your PC player, is good. Got a Pride of the North, Shea Weber. One of the more common inserts as well, although I do believe there's variations of those too. Tolman and rookie Gallagher, Pride of the North. Yeah, there's a lot of there's going to be some doubles in this box. Of course, this was meant as a retail release. Technically not meant to be opened by the box, although plenty of people did it. Crosby and a Malkin red. I wish I bought more. I would have bought like 10 boxes of this stuff back in the day. So good. Thornton. There's just so much you can get in here. The inserts are parallels, and there's just so much. And it sells so good too. And I've got that. It's a fun set to collect. There's some of the short print inserts in here I still don't have for my PC. It took me forever to get a Corey Perry Polar Lights. There's map relics in here as well. I think those are the only relics you can get. There's no jerseys, I know that much, but Marlowe insert. The autograph checklist is, yeah, there's some not so good ones. But if you get one, if it has a card number like this, just like a normal number, that's one of the ones you want. So if it's like A dash whatever, that tends to be not the ones you want. Tend to be a little meh. But if it has a number, they're usually more short print. Malkin, Gallagher. Oh, we got one of the landmarks. Cholowski. The Queen Charlotte Islands. Landmarks of the North. Now called Haida Gwaii Islands, I think. Yep. Now known as Haida Gwaii. There's variations of these too, and they are super hard to find. Who knows, that could be one of them. The fun part of this product is that there's no like dead giveaway for the variations, so you have to do your research after opening them. That's how you find out, you know, if you got a good card or not. Well, pretty much everything in here is good, for the most part, so. Still people putting together the sets of this. Quentin Keller. This is definitely the best Upper Deck retail release probably ever. I don't think anything would beat this. There's just so much stuff. It's so good. I know I've said that a million times, but this is better than Tim Hortons, better than Canadian Tire Team Canada, although that stuff was really good too. It's better than the McDonald's releases. Just wish they would do something like this again. Jean Beliveau Legends. That's cool. Franchise Heroes McKinnon. Forsberg. Alright. Shea Weber Red. Ovechkin. Kotkaniemi rookie. And a Georgian Bay, Ontario. Landmarks of the North. There's like a cool acetate insert or something like that. It's a Nylander. No, not Nylander. Kapanen. Red. Kopitar and the Valimaki Red. Rookie. Some of the rookies in here are super short print too. I think they're technically all classified as super short prints, but Michael McLeod. Rookie. Focus. There we go. Solani Legends. And this is one I know has a variation. Jasper National Park. I don't know if this is it. I was looking at this the other day because I got some of these in Toronto at the expo. I don't know if that is. the variation. The variation between that is very similar to the base. So I don't know. Could be good. Either way, I'll take it. Dowdy Superstars. Tarasenko. Double Tarasenko. Red in the base. A lot of reds. Barkov and Kopitar Superstars. Elias Anderson rookie. Yeah, camera's having a hard time focusing on these, I guess on this sort of flatter cardstock. Typically not much of a problem, but doesn't seem to like it here. Luongo. Schwartz spread. Getting down near the bottom. Trace Janssen, Patrice Bergeron. Brent Burns, Superstars. See if there's a variation base. Give me one of those. Give me a Legends where it doesn't say Legends. That's not one of them. Tyler Johnson red. McKinnon, Superstars, and we got another Polar Light. Sweet. Oh, it's a Legends too. This is gonna be sick. Is that Timu? Oh, Mario Lemieux. Wow, that's an awesome card. That's a good pull. Mario Lemieux, 54 of 99. Polar Lights. Sweet. Might be a keeper. Some of these sound really good, though. Sweet. Not bad. Not bad. That one's not going into the pile. All right, continuing on. Sakura rookie, Luongo, Pride of the North. Draisaitl Superstars. It'd be fun to get an all base pack. That would likely mean one variation. Oh, we got an acetate insert in here too. It's shaping out to be a good box. Yeah, you can see it there. All right, what is it? Michael Rasmussen's. Hope it's not him. It's an all-star. 91, Tyler Seguin? No, Steven Stamkos. Okay. Transparent all-stars, Steven Stamkos. Cool. These are hard to hit. I'll check the pack odds on that just quickly. All right. Transparent all-stars. 1 in 128. It's not too bad. 128 packs, and these do not pop up very often as it is these days, so good pull. Good pull number 2. Matthews. Getting down to the end here. Yalamaki. And last pack of this pretty good box, and I still don't know if I have a variation or not. I'll have to check that after. I'm sure I'd put some edit if I did get one, but Tyler Sagan, Superstars. Yeah, overall, that was a really good box. That Lemieux was sick. That Lemieux, not bad. Definitely the hit of the box, I think. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.